Hey guys, today we're going to check out a fancy iPhone 7 or 8 Plus screen protector. It's tempered glass and it comes with this really awesome guide that is supposed to make it super easy and foolproof to attach it to your Plus iPhone. Let's find out if that's the case. Ooh. Okay, so there it is. Lots of stuff falling out. We've got the screen cleaning kit and a second screen cleaning kit because it does come with 2 full sets of everything. There is a sticker there. There's a piece of foam. There is a secondary screen right there. I do believe the first screen is already installed in this little doohickey right here, and all we got to do is place it over to install it. So let's read the directions and get going. Alright, step 1, wash my hands. Step 2, clean your screen using the provided cleaning wipes. So let's start first with the alcohol pad here because my screen is covered in fingerprints. I did it on purpose because I wanted to see how this would go. Alright, I'm going to open this up, get my finger, and just going to wipe it down. I'll do my best to let you see what I'm doing, but also not screw the job up since this is my personal phone. It's evaporating obviously very quickly because it is alcohol, but I'm liking the gloss as well. It's helping to just smooth it out. My screen looks pretty darn good. I'm impressed. There you go. Alignment and installation. The white foam pad from the Easy App plastic tray, leaving just the actual screen protector in the tray. There it is. Carefully pull the sticker labeled 1 or back to remove the entire protective covering of the screen protector. So that says 1 right there. We're going to peel that off. I don't know if you can actually see it, but right there, I'm going to peel this off and it's going to remove the actual protective layer that's over the screen protector right now. Clean this off. Okay, it's down. Push down. 1, 2, 3. Wow, and I'm watching it attach as we speak. And then remove the sticker. Removing the sticker. I see some air bubbles. I don't know, I'm a little nervous. Removing the sticker. I see a lot of air bubbles. And now I'm going to take that off. And I'm just going to rub the air bubbles. There you can see the camera has no hole, but there's the speaker and the sensor. I mean, it's literally perfect. And there's the home screen. It's perfect. There's a little space on the edge on each side. That's because some iPhones have a little bit of a rounded curve, so they want to make sure this doesn't pass that rounded curve and peel up. But it covers the actual black display portion of the screen, and it looks absolutely flawless when turned on. Just wanted to point out another reason why the tempered glass screen doesn't go edge to edge is so that it's case compatible. With it, if it went edge to edge, it could interfere with certain cases. The fact that it doesn't go edge to edge allows that little bit of extra space, so you can pop it into any case you want, even a big, bulky, strong case like an OtterBox. And the rubber lip of that case won't be impeded by the actual screen protector, which gives it that little bit of space. So very, very pleased. Good job. This little adapter is super cool. I think I'd rather do it by hand. That's just me. But I made almost no effort. I've never done it with this adapter before. That was my first time ever doing it with this adapter. I never even seen it before today, just now. And I took it off, stuck it on, and did it. I would say just about virtually anybody on the planet can do this. It was really that easy. I did have to rub out bubbles more than I expected. A real good screen protector usually will just and the bubbles go away. But it may be the way I pressed it, and maybe a side effect of using this, I don't know. But they all did push out. The screen looks beautiful, and it's ready to go. So you can grab yours on Amazon.com. I'm leaving the link to this exact item in the description below. And I welcome you to grab one, and let me know how it goes for you. When you use my affiliate links, it really helps me a lot. So thank you so much, and I give it a thumbs up for sure. Good stuff. Bye.